Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let us start. First open TikTok. Now click on plus icon. Go to effects and search AI Manga. This filter is not available for me, so it's not showing here. If it's available for you, it will be shown on top. Let me know in comment section if it's available for you or not. You can also try second method to check if it's available for you or not. First, search the filter on For You page. Now here, you will see the videos which are made with AI Manga filter. Click on any one video. Here, the filter will appear on left hand side of the screen if the filter is available for you. It's not available for me, so it's not showing. Maybe it's due to that it's not available for certain region or countries now, and TikTok will try to make available for all regions soon. Make sure you update your TikTok to latest version and check. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.